Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.